Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I trust that you're staying home and you're staying safe too. Um, a follow up to my previous video, I would like to give you an intro into copywriting. But before I go forward, I would like you to know that this is a journey that you really need to be serious. It's not something where you just think you just do one or two things and you begin to make millions. I would never tell you that you just make it so easily. That's a big lie. You won't just make it so easily, but you need to know the skill that will get you the money you're looking for. And in the world of online business, you must be strategic, you must be smart, you must be creative. So don't just think that you just press one or two buttons and everything begins to pour money on you. Well, you can actually use that as a copywriting statement to convince someone else, but it's best that you understand what you're getting into. Now, I would like to show you some screenshots that will convince you that this journey is actually a journey that can be very, very fulfilling if you take it very seriously. Okay, I'd like you to take a look at this. Okay. Um, okay, okay. Okay, so there's a possibility that you can earn up to $2,000 in a month. It all depends on how serious you are. And yeah, it's also a possibility too. You can make over $1,000 in a month. And think of what $1,000 can do for you. Think about what $1,400 can do for you. It can do a lot of things in Nigeria. That should be roughly about 300 and something thousand for $1,000, and then 1,500 should be about 500,000. So it's something you can use to do a lot of things in your life, and you can still maintain an offline business if you want to. So it's a very big opportunity for you. So let's head straight to what we have for the day. I would like you to know that copywriting is a big journey. So for today, I would like to open copywriting through different lenses. Yeah, copywriting is simply your ability to deliver words that are persuasive, captivating, and able to force the prospect to take action. That's simply the definition. Your ability to deliver words that are captivating, persuasive, and able to make a prospect to take action. Now, copywriting is very, very broad. There are different kinds of copies. We have sales copies, that's sales letters, we have email campaigns, we have video scripts, we have so many of them, and I'll be taking all of them one after the other as we go. Just watch out for my next video and follow up as we move. It's something the more you learn, the more you get better. You can't just say, okay, I want to focus on only one aspect. No, you have to focus on all aspects so that whenever the need arises, you'll be able to delve into any one and use it to make money. So for today, I'll just like to give you an intro so you will know what you're about to face. Now, copywriting I've just defined for you is your ability to deliver words that are persuasive and able to get an action. So now a copy now is like divided into about three sections where you have the headline, your body, and the conclusion. And everything you're writing is specifically to make or force a prospect to take action. That's the whole essence. Now, when you see a copy, let me take you to one of my previous copies. So we'll start from there. Oh, where will I get that? Okay. For commercials. Okay, let's take a look at let's look for one of the nice sales copies I'll use in showing you something here. Okay, Raptor sales page. Okay, pardon me, my system is actually overloaded. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just like overloading my system. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. Okay. Okay, so take a look at this. This is a typical sales copy that I wrote a couple of years ago. Can't even remember when I wrote this. Now, if you look closely, you discover that this sales copy, particularly you can call it a sales letter. And this sales letter has a headline. It also has a sub-headline too. And if you scroll down, it has a body. It has a body. And sorry, system is actually hanging. Okay, that's the content, that's the product I was trying to market. And it also has a conclusion, and that's what you're looking for. Buy now. Now, if you are able to write this copy without a buyer coming to buy, you have wasted your time. And that's your conclusion and your postscript. So the main target here, when you look at this, it says social media raptor, your source of recapturing the full potentials of the social media right to the palm of your hands. Now, the very essence of having a headline is to capture the prospect's attention first of all, and your target is to get him to read the next sentence. You're not just writing just to entertain him, you are writing to force him to take action. Now, we have different styles of writing, but the aspect I would like to focus on for this video is of forcing a prospect to take action, because copywriters are persuasive. That's the truth. You cannot just be it's not just writing a blog. You're not just writing a blog, or maybe you're just writing a content that will make someone happy. Your target is to make him get to that button you want, which is the buy now button. For example, on this page, it's the buy now button. So that's your target. Your target is to get him to the buy now button. So everything you write from the first line is to get him to read the second one. Now check out this. After writing this headline, next thing that comes into mind is 100% guaranteed to sell you through social media. Must have been an error. Sell you through social media. Now take a look at what happens at the first sentence of the body. If you've not been utilizing the power of social media, then you are probably among the 70% of internet marketers that are wallowing in menial incomes and ultimately performing below par. So if you notice what happened there, is you're trying to make them feel bad. That's it. You're trying to make them feel bad. You're trying to make them feel that, oh, they are actually among those caliber of people who are wallowing. Even those who are making enough money, we feel like they are part of this group you just mentioned here. Why? Because they feel they've not made the kind of money that they want to make. So they will, as a human psychology goes, they'll easily class themselves under the 70% that of the internet marketers that are not making money. Now that is your target. Your target is to get them thinking. Your target is to get them, get that attention you're looking for, and then you move to the next, and you keep trailing it and trailing it and trailing it. What is your target along the body? I would like to read through everything here. This is just a sample copy. I'm just using to explain some stuff here. So the target here is to get them interested in reading the next sentence, and that sentence should also get them interested in reading the next sentence, and that one should get them interested in reading the next sentence. Then the next point here is to propagate the benefits of what they stand to gain. The benefits of that product or the service. That's it. You propagate the benefit of that product. So when you're able to propagate that benefit, and they will be able to see that, oh, I can actually gain something. They will be moved to say, okay, let me give it a try. So most of the time, a lot of people fail in copywriting simply because they feel that they are discussing with somebody in their living room, forgetting that copywriting is just like any other sales work you're doing outside. Imagine a salesman outside trying to convince a potential buyer to get to buy maybe a special soap from him. Of course, he's going to try to propagate the benefits and the catchy aspects of the soap. He won't tell you that the soap will likely bleach you or maybe change your color. He's going to tell you that soap is one of the best, just arrived from China or maybe USA. He's going to tell you all the great parts of that soap to make you interested. And when he makes you interested, the next thing you begin to once you get interested, you begin to wonder, oh, how can I get it? So that's the very essence of copywriting. Copywriting is still the same marketing, but this time you're more strategic. You are more strategic. You are extremely strategic, because if you're not strategic, you can't get through to your target audience. Because the main aspect of this is to write a copy that captures the very essence of the product or the service, and then make sure it's hitting the target audience at their hot buttons. Simple. That's it. Just make sure you capture the very essence of the whole product or service, and make sure it's hitting the target audience at their hot buttons. What I mean by hot buttons is that those aspects, those things they actually want, you're actually providing a solution to it without actually without maybe over pushing it. That's just it. So it's a whole new world. This is just an intro video to get you prepared for when we actually start. So I believe you've gotten an overview of what copywriting simply means. In my next video, I'll be giving you other aspects. I'll be taking it one after the other. Today we just had a little look on a sales letter. I just gave you a sample sales letter. In our coming videos, in the next video, I'll be giving you an overview of how a sales letter should be, and how you can start writing your own sales letter easily. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and for the meantime, I'd like you to still stay safe. We are still in the lockdown period. For those who are disobeying the rules, try to stay home and stay safe. So remember, you can make good money from copywriting. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I'll be giving it to you bit by bit, so that it doesn't overwhelm you. It doesn't get too much to bear. Moreover, if you have any questions, leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll reply you and still get back to you later. So for now, I would like to tell you goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for listening.